Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name. First go to youtube.com, then click on your channel icon top right side, then click on your channel. After that click on customize channel. Okay, then layout, branding, basic info. Click on basic info. Then you can see the pencil icon. Click on that. Then here you can channel name. You can change your channel name here. I put here as Wired Fan, then put there and click on publish. That's it. Okay, now let's see. Click on view channel. Okay, now it has changed. Thank you very much.